Our practice has changed over time as we've gotten the attention of the Beverly Hills community, judges' referrals, and our clientele are now very critical, highly educated, and I've taken a lot of pride in the fact that although the effort has remained the same, the caliber of our cases has increased so that we're able to be a boutique practice. Instead of one handling 150 cases, we're able to handle a dozen cases or less.
I think what's very important and different about our firm is that we try to demonstrate along the way in deposition process or in opening statement or in mock trial. We try to demonstrate that we are fully prepared to go to verdict. I can elicit a very different case than the one that's brought out by the defendants on cross-examination. And very often, by the time the defendants get the case, that is to ask questions of our witnesses, it's too little, too late. The case is already over.
I take great pride in being able to take any type of matter against any type of defendant, depending on the degree of injury that's been caused to the client. Typically, plaintiffs are on a contingency basis with firms such as my own. And that means that although we share in the ultimate fee, it means that until we receive a positive judgment or settlement, we incur all the costs. Very few plaintiffs' firms are capable or willing to spend that much of their resources and devote that much of their time to the kind of effort that's needed in these very complex cases. Our cases go on for 6 weeks to 6 months, and during the course of that time, I spend a tremendous effort educating the jury pool with the internationally known top experts in the world on this field, and thereby their skepticism is swept aside. But that is very costly. In this case that we're talking about, which I'm very happy to have set a record in the United States with, we spent $1.61 million to get that result. That's a very concerted effort. And my own experience in this field tells me that most lawyers won't spend more than $50,000 on a given case.
Ultimately, my feeling is that a small number of cases handled by a small number of individuals, all participating in the case at various degrees and levels, is the most satisfying way